Uhlelo lokwakhiwa kwezindlu zakule ndawo lwamiswa ngesikhathi sonkontileka eshiya phansi emsebenzini ngonyaka odlule. Indlu kaJolene Daniels nayo ibalwa nezinye ezingakaphothulwa.
The reason I apply for a house here is for my children to be safe. I can't guarantee my life on earth. I'm already old. I'm turning 51 this year. I can't guarantee my life, but I want to see my children in my house.
Umasipala waGasigonyane uvumile ukuthi Izakhamuzi bezilokhu zizwakalisa ukukhathazeka mayelana nohlelo lokwakha olungakaphothulwa.
The community came very strong, raising this issue that these incomplete houses, are they going to be finished, or is the project collapsed? We said no. We cannot allow an instance where a project like that one collapses in front of us.
Umnyango wezokubusa ngokubambisana esifundazweni usamile ekutheni uhlelo lokwakha lwamiswa ngenxa yokukhula kwezindleko.
This is a blocked project due to the escalating implementation costs. The project will be completed in the 2023-2024 financial year. To date, 59 million has been spent on the entire project.
Khona manjalo asebehlala ezindlini zabo bathi ezingakaqedwa ziyingozi njengoba seziphenduke izidleke zezigebengu.